Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Math Learning with Shobita. Today we will discuss a question from linear algebra which is asked in the KSET examination 2023. The question is, if the product of two eigenvalues of the matrix 4, 1, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 2, 1, 1, 2 is 9, then third eigenvalue is option A 3, option B 5, option C 4, option D 2. So, given A is a 3 by 3 matrix, so it has 3 eigenvalues, lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. They given the product of two eigenvalues, say lambda 1 into lambda 2 is 9. We have to evaluate the third eigenvalue lambda 3. We know that determinant of a matrix A is equal to product of its eigenvalues, that is lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3. That is 9 lambda 3 is the determinant of A, because 9 is lambda 1 into lambda 2. Now we shall evaluate determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant for 1, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 2, 1, 1, 2. So determinant will be 4 into 10 minus 2, that is minus plus, so 10 into 10 plus 2 minus 1 into 4 plus 2 minus plus, that is minus 1, here it is, so 2 minus 5, so you will get 12 into 4 48 minus 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2 minus 5 is minus 3, so plus 3. So this you will get 48 minus 6 is 42 plus 3 is 45. Therefore 9 lambda 3 is equal to 45. Therefore lambda 3 is equal to 45 by 9, you will get 5. Hence the option B is true. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.